Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, April the 19th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, 6301. This will be 6301. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Yeah, 25. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of 8s I see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me start with the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes here, and 8 in the third row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8 here. Need to wait. We have 4 ones, so let me start with the 1 then. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, okay. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait again. We have a pair. The 1 and the 6 in this column. The 1 and the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. Alright. And we have a pair here. The 8 and a 9 in this column. The 8 and a 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Alright. Okay. 666. Yeah. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 7. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. 9. Yeah. Come on, come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Shoot it there. 4, 4. Yeah. 7, 7, 7, 7, 4, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. Okay. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column be 3. The only place left for the 3. Shoot there. These are 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. All right. 6, 6. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9. Shoot me there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Yeah. 7, 3, the 2. Come on. 7, 7. 5, 5. 7, 5. Need a 2 here. 2 and 6. 6, 6. Thinking. Yeah. No 7, 7. No 7 here. 7 should be here. Yeah, we have a pair in this big square. We have a pair. Oh, apologies. Well. Apologies. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. In this row, we need a 7. Here can it be a 7? We have a 7 in the set column, so no 7 there. Here can it be a 7 because we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only 2 places left for the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. So 1 is left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2, 2. We have a pair. 5 and a 6 in this row, 5 and a 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Two numbers left in this last column for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2, the 4, 2, the 4. Let me mark those. Two numbers left in this column for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 6 goes there. 1 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 1 goes there. Yeah. Alright, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 1, 1, 5, 7, yeah. Here I've marked those 3 boxes with 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 here in this row. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 5 then. 2, 4, 3. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Already 12 minutes past. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the second row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Seven, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. This box can also not be a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. So the 7 should be in one of those two boxes in the first column. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. One box left in this row for the mark. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2, the 3, 2, the 3. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in this row. No 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column. Number 8. 9 and 8. We have 8 now in this first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. No. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. Okay. And now, a 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Yeah. 7, 2, 2 to 4, 2 to 4. 2, 6, 6, 6. You need a 6 here. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the first row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 9 should be here. So the 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes here. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 now in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 6 goes and there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in that third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this mixed square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, the 7, 2, the 7. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 7 goes there. 2 to 4, we have a 2 now in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes in there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this mixed square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 to 4, 3 to 4. We have a 3 the first one, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. 7 or 3, we have a 3 now. So this box should be 7. 7 and the 3, we have a 7 now. In this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers. In this big square for the master 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 to 4. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. 2 to 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 to 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 2 goes, and they have finished 70 minutes. Well. Minus 2. Well, for 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.